Hello guys, my name is Sheikh Nasir. Today we are going to discuss how to import customer list data in QuickBooks Online. Go to the Sales tab and click on Customers option. Click on the arrow button and select Import Customers. Import Customer window will be open. Click on Browse button and select Excel customer file. I checked you this Excel file. If I open this Excel file, there are different fields available in Excel sheet: name, company, customer type, email, phone, mobile, fax, website, street, city, province, postal code, country. In date column, please don't change date format. This is the standard format for import Excel data in QuickBooks Online. Close this file and click this button. All fields columns are imported in QuickBooks Online. You can see easily. Click on next button. All data import from Excel sheet in QuickBooks Online. Click on import button and click on yes button. I have already imported this data in QuickBooks Online. That's way I will not import two times in QuickBooks Online. If you get this Excel file sheet, go to arrow button and click on download a sample file. Your Excel file format download in your computer, laptop. If I open this file, I hope you understand how to import Excel data in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.